This is a song about the Swanee River flatboats that worked the Swanee River for years in the mid-1800s and through the Civil War, and then right up to the beginning of the 20th century. It's called Flat Bottom Boats. And the key is C. Black silk, cradled by that river, he worked his flat-bottom boat. Tow that barge and lift that bell, hole in the shore. Captain Tucker's Madison, loaded down like a country store. Traded pigs, eggs and chickens, bacon, tallow, hides, and gum. What he liked on this trip, he'd have on his next run. He woke up on the Swanee, where the water flowed like black silk, and cradled by that river, he worked his flat-bottom boat. Well, the Madison worked that Swanee River till Tucker was called to fight. The Southern boys said they needed him, said their cause was just and right. But before he left for Virginia, the Madison sunk a Union gunboat. Then he scuttled her up in White Springs, and the Madison sailed no more. They woke up on the Swanee, where the water flowed like black silk, and cradled by that river, he worked their flat-bottom boat. And cradled by that river, they worked their flat-bottom boat. Well, flat-bottom double-decker steamships, after the Civil War, they came to work that Swanee River, Old Town, Cedar Key, the Springs Gulf shores, and folks swarmed from around the world to heal in her black silk water, soaking up white sulfur springs and hoping for the cure. They woke up on the Swanee, where the water flowed like black silk, and cradled by that river, they worked their flat-bottom boat. Well, ride that Swanee River, have to be those double stacks, the Louisa and the Paul Yulee, of course the Swanee River Belle, the last flat-bottom tied up, way back in 1923, the first Tucker's Madison, the last, the city of Hawkinsville. They woke up